Most people are learning the wrong skills and then complain that everything is too expensive. The world you're getting ready for is already disappearing, but you can still shift focus. These are 15 skills that actually create outsized income in 2026. Welcome to Alux, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Number 15, design for conversion. Earnings between $100,000 to $250,000 a year. Now, graphic designers are going to get mad for this, but it's not about making things pretty. The valuable part of design is making it super easy for the customer to make the exchange and have a great experience on your website. Airbnb became a $75 billion company primarily because of this. Knowing where to put the button, where to put the rating, the reviews, the other client photos in a way that's consistent with the brand added billions of dollars annually to Amazon. As of 2026, 71% of shopping carts get abandoned, and according to the same study, better checkout design unlocks an immediate 35% bump in revenue. Amazon can afford prettier design, but they optimize for making money. Number 14, being likable and charismatic. Market value between $100,000 and $400,000 a year. Look, people don't buy from the smartest person, they buy from the person they trust or like. People are driven by emotion, not logic. If you make others feel important, they will want to help you succeed. According to the National Bureau of Economic Research, being boring comes with a 10% penalty when it comes to business. The best part is, you can learn how to be more likable and charismatic. The impact on your bank account, opportunities, fulfillment, and overall happiness will compound across time. And when people trust you at scale, well, that becomes an audience. And speaking of, number 13, audience and community building. Market value from $50K as an employee up to $1 million a year as an individual. Money follows attention. Your biggest business problem is that people don't know you exist. 57% of consumers spend more with brands they feel connected to. You don't need millions. A small group of loyal supporters can sustain and grow a highly profitable business. An audience gives you reach. A community gives you loyalty. Loyalty prints money because they're with you through the journey. But attention alone is not enough. You need taste. Good taste, and that is number 12. The market value for good taste? $80,000 to stock options. How to appeal to people is probably the most underrated money skill this decade, especially with the rise of AI. When every product is in a race to the bottom due to cheap intelligence, depth is the moat. Story, vibes, experience is what differentiate here. For the first time ever, brands outside of fashion or media are hiring creative directors. Rick Rubin is worth $310 million as a music producer despite not being able to play a single music instrument, but he has excellent taste. Taste is not random. It evolves through social signaling where people constantly seek distinction and status through what they choose. Your customers want to signal they have good taste by purchasing from you, and this is valuable. Number 11, negotiation. Market value, $120,000 to $1.5 million a year. Look, if you're subscribed to our channel, you know that reality is negotiable, but most people don't negotiate because most people perceive negotiation as conflict. This is a mistake. It is clarity under pressure. That's what negotiation is. The difference between average income and exceptional income is often one uncomfortable conversation, or a series of uncomfortable conversations, either with others, but more often with yourself. Negotiation isn't about logic or compromise. It's about controlling emotions and using empathy as leverage to get ahead. It allows you to extract more or better terms from what you're already doing. If you can negotiate an extra $5 million on the sale of a company, your commission is massive. That's why investment bankers earn over $1 million per year in bonuses. Once again, a skill you can learn, but better teams alone won't make you rich unless you can grow. And that's why number 10 is growth hacking. Market value, $120,000 to $2 million plus per year. Now, this skill allows you to execute in 6 months what would take others over a year. It blends creativity and data. It's about figuring out which change leads to the biggest long-term effects. Most of the time, growth is engineered, it is iterative. This new version is slightly better than the last. Growth hackers find alternative ways to leapfrog growth. It's not about doing more, but about removing friction. Elite growth hackers get a slice of the pie for their efforts, so if you're good, your work will be worth a lot of money when the product or company eventually sells. Number 9, financial modeling and investment analysis. Earnings about $150,000 to $2.5 million plus per year. Now, people outside of this space think the entire field will be destroyed by AI. That's false. AI gives answers, but not always judgment. The future will create more information, not less. If everyone has the same tools, the real value is knowing what the numbers mean and what to do with them. The cornerstone of this skill is judging reality correctly. Those who see risks clearly are extremely valuable. The more AI takes care of the math, the more the outcome will depend on judgment. Financial modeling answers the question, is this actually a good bet? This is a skill you can refine with daily exposure. And if you want to build this kind of judgment faster, go to Alux.com/app right now. Let the smartest people in the world polish your judgment daily and see how those coaching sessions compound into millions of dollars. If you're ready to take investment in yourself seriously, scan that QR code on screen for 25% off your membership. I'll see you on the inside, but in the meantime, let's keep it rolling. Number 8, product development. Market value, $200,000 to $2.5 million per year. Great products are not accidents. A phenomenal example here is Dyson and how they were able to create a class of their own through product alone. They kept making the product better until people could feel the difference, and the market couldn't ignore it anymore. Dyson built over 5,000 prototypes before getting the product right. That's what real product development looks like, not inspiration, iteration, innovation. You don't need ads or marketing gimmicks if you get the product right. It's like a hidden cheat code. The people who know how to improve products make money because the world always pays for better. Number 7, distribution. Market value, $250,000 to $5 million a year. Coca-Cola is sold across more than 200 countries and territories and serves 2.2 billion drinks per day. That's how it became the drink. And guess what? People buy what is available for purchase to them. Netflix didn't make better movies. Their original movies are objectively worse. But they invented a new distribution model that was superior. Distribution is how value reaches people. Whoever controls the path to the customer usually wins. Unlike some of the rest of the skills on this list, distribution takes a lot of time to build. And once you understand distribution, the next level is building systems that scale beyond human effort. Number 6, marketing. Marketing shapes how people interpret reality. Same product, different story, different outcome. Unlike what you've heard, marketing is not just ads. It's understanding a specific group of people deeply enough to make them feel seen and then talking directly to them. It's the art of making people care. If people don't care, nothing else matters. Great marketing gives meaning to value. That's why marketing makes money. It changes how people feel. And how people feel changes what they buy. Number 5, advanced coding and technical architecture. Market value, $400,000 to $5 million plus per year. Yes, building is getting easier and most people will be able to build simple things without the help of anyone else. At the same time, people with high-level technical skills will be able to build faster, cheaper, and on their own without the need for a larger company to underwrite the project. It's not uncommon for San Francisco programmers to have 2 to 3 jobs at the same time paying about $200K each. We're getting to the point where you won't be able to hire this kind of talent because they'll be out there building billion-dollar companies from their bedroom. Great technical people don't just solve today's problem, they build systems that can survive tomorrow. If you know how to build scalable systems, you stop trading time for money and you start creating leverage. Number 4, leadership and team management. Market value, $200,000 to $10 million plus per year, but it takes decades to mature. The better you are at helping other people perform, the more valuable you become. Managing a team means aligning incentives, removing friction, and building culture. A strong team multiplies your output. You can only go so far on your own. Some challenges will require thousands of people tackling the problem in unison, and all of them with egos, problems, and unique worldviews. Aligning people is just as valuable as aligning AI. You don't build the rockets yourself, you build the team that builds the rockets. It's almost impossible to get to $1 billion without a phenomenal team in place. Number 3, high-ticket sales. Earnings, about $200,000 to $5 million a year. Same effort, bigger outcome. Exponentially bigger effort, massive outcome. High-ticket sales are so high on the list because one good deal can change everything. Literally one sale a year is worth more in commission than most people's salary. The same is true in luxury real estate, consulting, agencies, and premium services. The work is not just selling a product, but selling certainty and outcomes to a handful of individuals where access is the competitive advantage. Top sales teams report over 90% win rate stability even in tough markets. That's why high-ticket sales is powerful. You're not chasing lots of tiny wins. You're learning how to close fewer, bigger ones. Number 2, AI engineer and automation. Salary, $250,000 to $80 million a year. There's money in replacing humans. There's money in saving time. There's money in getting more output with less input. There's money in perfecting the machine that will do all of that. That's the hardware part. Why Amazon has over 1 million robots in its network. Why Tesla stopped producing the Model X and Model S, which they sold over 30,000 units per year, to use the factory to build robots. There's also the technical part, where Meta offered a single AI engineer $1.25 billion over 5 years. Salaries closing in to $100 million a year are not unheard of. Their bet is that no matter how much money you'll spend creating the infinite money machine, you'll earn more from it. This is a massive opportunity for anyone who's young and knows how to use AI. Help companies to automate things like customer support, and you won't need to get a job. Now, are you ready to see what made it to the top of the list? All right, number 1, building and scaling businesses. Yearly earnings from $1 million to $100 million plus per year. Look, if you've built and sold a multi-million-dollar business in the past, you possess a unique cocktail of skills that, when mixed together, are the pinnacle of financial success. You're not going to attack any opportunity under $1 million per year because it's not worth your time. You can start a business similar to your previous one and just speed run through it. You can buy an existing business and scale it up using the contacts and the know-how you have. The possibilities for growth are endless here. Now, out of all of the skills on this list, this one gives you the best shot at becoming a billionaire. Now, since this is a unique opportunity, which of these skills do you possess and how much are they worth in your country? Let us know in the comments. And as a reward for those of you watching the video until the very end, here is your well-deserved bonus. Personal brand is the cheat code to growth. Once you've got a personal brand, everything becomes easy. You stop looking for opportunities. The opportunities come to you. Great people want to work with you. Your reputation does the heavy lifting. A personal brand makes every other business skill easier to monetize. Now you, the true Aluxer watching this video until the end, have come to trust the Alux brand. So much so that there's a hidden reward for you and you only. If you scan this QR code, you get the yearly membership to the Alux app for only $99. We want to make sure that more people like you are in the app, so this is our way of saying thank you. And instead of a random word, please like this video. The comment section is full of bots as YouTube descends into chaos. Alright, Aluxer, that's a wrap for today. We'll see you back here next time. Until then, take care.